let's say I want the probability that this occurs.
No, but it's not like
I want the probability that the difference is between 0 and 0.06. So I'm doing a probability. This is an interval. That's why I had to do this little stuff here, because this is normal distribution. This is a normal distribution. So from what I said earlier, the difference is as well. So we can find this interval using the normal curve. So, see, Julia, you were getting good at this yesterday. What will I do with this number first, the 0.06? Before I can go to my chart and so forth.
Z-score?
Yeah, so how do I get a z-score out of that?
You take your thing that you want to find,
Right?
and you subtract the mean of that.
Alright, the mean of the difference, which is 0.02 divided by,
The standard deviation of this
okay. Alright, so then that's going to be your z-score. So I'll put a z up there. So then you'll have to take that z-score to your chart A and come out with a number. And tell me what that z-score is and I'll chart it for us. I'm doing this probability here by finding the z-score first of 0.06 and then of 0. So I have to do it again for 0. You can use one of my calculators. This one has some issues, but see how there's some lines in it, but you can still kind of read it. You can use that until you remember to bring yours in, and we can fix it. All right. Okay, maybe on Monday. You have a week to rest up your troubled mind.
Just so we can.
So we're finding the z-score and then what? Oh,
So we were trying to find the probability between here and here.
okay.
So what is the z-score for the 0.06?
0.17857142686.
9 or 0.18? So on a standardized
0.179.
chart, that means
0.179, so it's 0.18 basically.
you got
0.89. Is positive?
1.79 for 0.06.
It's a z-score. Z-scores are always positive.
No, they're
No,
not.
I'm talking about before the
Oh, never mind.
score.
No.
I got 0.9545. What did I do wrong?
Point what? For point,
0.9545, that's the z-score.
what numbers are you doing? 0.06
Is that your radio station?
0.02.
That's your radio jingle.
I was asking for the z-score,
Oh
that's
my gosh.
this.
Can you s-
1.8.
jingling? Maybe,
Alright, the z-score is 1.8, so
What's
Goldberg
the other
sings,
number?
and it doesn't
What do
sound
you
at
call
all
that?
like the do over his voice, and he's like the
that's the
amazing
probability
voice.
or the
It doesn't
area.
sound at all like
right.
he's singing like a radio
So
jingle.
this is not the area, this is the z-score. So if I draw that on a normal curve, that means here's about 1.8. The chart is giving us
But it's
everything
0.18.
below that. So
I
now,
thought it was 0.18.
what was the area when you looked it up? 1.8 or 1.79?
I thought it was.
No.
This is the
I
z-score,
got 0.17.
You didn't divide by 0.022.
0.9
You
something,
do
I can tell.
0.022.
0.9 what when you looked it up?
It's 0.964. One.
Point nine, six, six.
Look at that.
641?
I can't believe it.
If it's just 1.8.
Alright, 1.8.
If we do 1.79, it would be
0.96.
0.9633.
0.9633. Alright, I think 1.79. We'll take that. If you took 1.8, you're going to very close to our answer. So that's the area that I striped. We don't want that area. We want the area between here and here. So we have to get a z-score for 0. So let's do a z-score for 0. Let me move this out of the way. 0.0224.
Wow.
This is what Ellie does all of the time.
Oh, but
So the z-score is 0 minus 0.02. divided by 0.0224.
My life, my life,
This
my
one
alley.
is a negative z, which is fine.
0.186.
Point what?
Oh, never mind. That's the.
Negative
0.89.
0.89, look that up. That's a z-score. So that's down here, about right here.
Please.
So
Say never.
we want the difference. We want the in-between part. The
0.1867.
z-score gives us everything to the left, then everything to the
So what is
left.
that?
0.1867.
Yeah, negative 89 gives us what? 0.816?
0.8167.
0.1867.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
now subtract that from that, the two purples.
7. You get 0.7766.
All right, 77.66% chance. Is that a pretty good chance of getting a cup that fits? That means about 3 out of 4 times you go, it'll work, but 1 out of 4, you'll have a poor fit. I don't find that it happens that often to me.
Maybe not to a person, but to maybe one person
Wait.
happens to them all the time.
Did
Is
you
that really bad luck?
you found the probability of each of them first and then subtracted them?
Right, because this is an area.
Wait, couldn't you I was gonna subtract the z-score, find the z-score, the difference of the z-scores, and then find the probability of that. Is that wrong?
Yeah, that's wrong. You have to find the areas
So
associated.
that's why I've
with
always
each-
been wrong.
You've not always been wrong.
I've always been wrong in everything I've ever done.
Let's shut that down. We're gonna put something in our cups for about 2 minutes, and then we'll be right back.
For 2 minutes.